First, I use a hyaluronic acid wipe all over my face. Next, I use my eye cream under my eyes, rubbing it in gently. Next, I use this anti-redness serum over my face. Next, I'm using this concealer. Using my beauty blender, patting it in gently. Next, I'm using a lighter concealer under my eyes. Next, I'm going in with some red eyeshadow just above the eyelid. Do not worry if it looks messy at first. Next, I'm using a wet wipe removing the excess eyeshadow on my eyelid. Next, I'm using some concealer on the eyelid to create the cut crease look that we want. I am filling in the blanks with some red eyeshadow. Now it's time for some sparkles. Next, I'm creating a wing with some sparkly eyeshadow using an angled brush. And there you have it. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see similar videos. Goodbye.